Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio.
And today we are going to be drawing a pumpkin pie or a apple pie or a blueberry pie for the holidays. It's going to be a super fun and easy step-by-step tutorial for everyone of all levels of skill when it comes to drawing and art. You ready to have some fun?
It's going to be super fun.
Yeah, it was very fun. Come join us, guys. Come have some fun. Yes! Let's go. It's holiday season. I'm ready. Ready for our pumpkin pie?
Yeah, let's get started with this pumpkin pie. It's going to be super delicious. I'm excited.
Super excited. And just for starters, whatever color you guys want to color it, it can be that kind of pie. So we're going to do it orange for a pumpkin pie, but you guys can do it red and make an apple pie, all right?
Or blue for blueberry.
True. So whatever pie you like, just color it that color, but let's get started our tutorial.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a curve towards the bottom, and it's a small one. Okay. So I'm just going to draw a small one like this if you want to watch me first.
Yeah.
Just like this. It's like a small curve. Perfect. That's the bottom of our pie.
Okay.
At each point, we're going to make a vertical line. This one on the left is just shorter than the one on the right.
Okay. This one is smaller, this one?
Shorter, yeah.
Okay.
This one's going to go a little higher.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just a little bit. And then we're going to make a curve to connect these 2 points.
I see the pie. This is the piece of the pie, right?
Yep, this is the side of the pie.
Okay.
And then from this point on the right, we're going to make a diagonal line that goes up, just like this. A short one.
Holiday pumpkin pie. So just something like this?
Perfect.
Okay.
And then we're just going to make a curve to connect these 2
I
points.
see. It's a slice.
It's a slice of pumpkin pie.
Okay.
Or whatever pie you guys choose.
Okay.
So that's our slice. What we got to do is make the crust, right?
Yeah, let's make
the crust. It has a crust. So what we're going to do is we're going to make curves like hills.
Okay.
And I'm just going to curve. And I'm going to make 3. So if you want to make 3, we're not going to touch the pumpkin at the end, though.
So 1.
So look.
2. And then don't touch it. Leave a little space.
Yep.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to outline here and the bottom for the crust.
That's where the crust meets, okay? I'm going to go this way. I'm going to go the opposite way and connect it.
Okay.
This is the bottom of the crust. Okay.
And there we have our crust. Look at that.
This is my dessert.
Ooh, that looks so yummy.
This is my dessert piece, okay?
And then we could draw the face later because that's the fun part. But
okay, the eyes and the face.
We're going to draw a big full pumpkin pie behind it.
Okay.
So we're going to copy that same curve we did for the bottom.
Yep.
We're just going to come out from here to here, leaving a little bit of space.
We're going to attach the cake to this piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is I'm just going to make a curve, but I'm not going to go through the pumpkin I already made. So I'm just going to make a curve like this, pretend it goes through, and then continue that curve, leaving a little space on each side of the paper.
Okay, so just like another curve, like the bottom of our slice a little bit?
Perfect, yeah.
Okay.
And then from these points, we're going to make 2 lines that go diagonal just a little bit. This is the side of the pie.
So slightly down.
Yep.
Okay.
It's like a little diagonal. Okay. Or you can make vertical lines if that's easier.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how it comes out, you know? You guys
That's perfect.
You guys don't have to do it with marker either. You guys can start off with pencil.
Yep, whatever is easier. And then we'll do the same thing on the left side. Same height.
Wow.
Yep.
All right,
and then we're going to make a curve to connect these points. So I'm just going to turn my paper because it makes it easier.
So let me make sure that these points are the same and then do like a little curve to connect them. It has to drop down a little bit from point to point.
Yep, like almost like a smiley face.
Got it.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then from here, we can make that same crust, right? So we're just going to make curves or hills throughout the whole pie.
Okay.
So I'm going to start here and then I'm going to go to the other end.
And then just do the same thing, like little clouds?
Little clouds.
Is it going to connect this time or no?
Well, yeah.
Yeah,
I just connected
when I end it, is it going to connect?
Yes, it is.
Okay, all right. So just draw like little hills, little clouds. And this is the top of the...
This is the crust.
The crust?
Of the pumpkin pie.
Well, this has to be the best part of the pumpkin pie.
Yeah.
Like this? Am I doing it good?
Yeah.
Okay. One more. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
All right, I got it.
And then from here, what we're going to do is we're just going to make a curve like a rainbow. Maybe don't go super high.
Okay.
But just make
like
a curve.
Is there something else we're putting on top of it?
I was just going to make some steam like it's hot.
Okay.
But if you can't,
I should have started a little bit lower, but that's fine.
That's all right.
Okay.
We're just going to make a curve like a rainbow, connect into the crust.
I'll watch you go.
I'm just going to start on the crust, and I'm just going to make a curve like a rainbow.
And connect it? Okay.
Yep, to the other side.
Oh, I did that one swoop.
Oh, that's perfect.
You like that? I did it one swoop. Okay.
You could do steam on the side.
Okay, I could do steam coming out the side. Okay, that's cool.
What we're gonna do is, you know how pies usually have like little holes in them so they breathe when they cook?
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna do.
That's how the bread's baked.
And then it's shaped like a teardrop.
Okay, like a raindrop?
And what a teardrop, or a raindrop is shaped like is like a triangle at the top.
Okay.
And then like
circle,
an oval
right?
at the bottom, yeah.
I've seen
or like
raindrops.
a circle.
How many are we gonna draw?
I was gonna do 3, so I did one in the middle and then 2 on the sides.
All right, so Let's see if I can do it like this, like this, and then a circle.
Perfect. And then the ones on the
Hey.
side, I was going to turn the paper a little bit and then just copy the same design.
Hey,
Good job.
yours looks good. Yours
does
looks
yours.
scrumptious.
So does yours. So from here, what we could do is we could do that steam, right? So the steams are going to be like curves.
Okay.
It's just steam coming up, and I'm just make curves and then connect it right like that.
Okay.
They're just like
Our
curves.
pumpkin pie for Thanksgiving is coming along.
Yeah.
I'll draw like a smaller one right here.
And I'm just going to draw 3 of them.
All right, I'm gonna draw 4.
Ooh. Super hot. So that's
Okay.
our steam.
Got
What
it.
we could do is we could draw the lines on the pumpkin.
Yeah.
Just like the shell that's holding the pumpkin.
Okay.
And I'm going to do vertical lines that go down to the bottom of the pumpkin.
Okay.
I'm going to do a few that go all the way down. And then some of them that stop like halfway.
Okay.
So we could do that throughout the whole pumpkin pie.
I like this idea. Ta-da!
Super cool, guys. And we're almost done. All we need is the little face on our pie.
Let's do it. That's
So
just the
let's
best
do it.
part.
Yep, so what we're gonna do is right in the middle of everything,
Okay.
we're gonna do one horizontal line
So in the middle of the slice, we're gonna do it.
in the middle of the slice,
Okay.
on the side of the slice.
Okay.
Left some space at the top and
Okay.
the bottom.
Let's
This
do
is
it.
gonna be his mouth, so one horizontal line
Okay.
in the middle.
So right there.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then we're gonna make a scoop, like a smiley face.
I could see it. I could envision it already.
Big smiley face.
Okay.
Yay! And then right on the sides, we're gonna draw his eyes, so they're gonna be 2 circles.
Big circles.
Yep.
Okay.
So we're gonna do one on the right first. I did it right next to his mouth. Oh, that's a perfect circle. And then the same thing on the left side.
You look so happy.
Right? And then we could do a tongue. So we're just gonna make a hill right at the bottom of his mouth.
Okay.
Perfect. And then the details inside of the eyes to the top of the left, we're just gonna make a circle like this on each eye.
Like another circle inside the circle? Mm-hmm. Okay. Looks like he's looking that way. He's looking at the
Yeah.
pie. He's like,
And the last thing I wanted to do was a thing of whipped cream.
okay,
Right
let's
on
do
the
it.
top. So what
Okay.
we're gonna do is I'm gonna make a point like a triangle,
Kind of like the teardrop, how we started the teardrop. Okay.
and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come out as if we're making a big oval and connect it.
So just a little bit wider than the teardrop. Mm-hmm. And connect it.
And then in the middle, right where this
Yep.
point is, we're just gonna make a curve that goes out like that to look like whipped cream.
How scrumptious is that? Happy
And-
Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I was super excited. There we have our pumpkin pie.
We're done? Nothing
yeah,
else?
That's it.
Perfect. Yours looks great. I should have centered mine a little bit
No,
more.
yours
So
looks awesome
when you guys
too, though.
start, maybe go down a little bit, but use mine as a reference. Use hers as a reference. We're gonna color them in now, right?
Yeah.
All right.
This is the fun part, guys.
Love the holidays. I love me some dessert. You guys get creative and draw whatever dessert you guys like. Thank you for watching along. Now we're gonna color it. We're gonna color in all these fun colors that we have, and then you guys are gonna see the finished product. Okay?
Stay tuned.
All right, guys. So here are our colors. I did a bunch of funky colors. I did the base of mine blue, the crust yellow, and I just had fun. I drew my smoke brown, gray. I'm sorry. Yours is more classic. Yours looks super cute. Oh, you
Yeah.
drew eyelashes on your
I
eyes.
did it last minute.
Okay.
I just thought it would look cute.
Okay, so how do you do that? You just go like this, up,
Yeah,
up,
I just
up,
made
up,
2 lines.
2
up.
eyelashes.
Mhm,
Okay.
on each eye.
Well, we did our dessert for Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. We're gonna do more holiday drawings, more Thanksgiving drawings. We're gonna do more Christmas drawings come December. This is the best time to draw holiday drawings because the seasons are here. I had so much fun. Thank you for the tutorial, and I know if I can do it, then anybody can do it. So thank you for teaching me,
this is
KK.
super fun, of course.
Thank you. And what's next?
More holiday
More
drawings.
hot turkey?
So, yeah, stay
Something like a
tuned,
turkey?
guys.
Yeah. All right, thank you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. It helps the channel. It helps the videos perform well.
And let us know what you want us to draw.
Yeah, Fan Art Friday. Make sure you guys submit your drawings to our email. And we'll draw anything you guys would like us to draw, and we'll have fun together. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.